Hi, I'm Yasir and welcome to Paintastic Valley. Today I'm going to follow a Bob Ross painting tutorial on 16 by 20 inch stretch canvas. So let's get started. I have got some bigger brushes. This is 2-inch brush, this is 2-inch flat brush, and a fan brush. This is number 12, and this is very soft, I think 1-inch brush, and this is a brush for detail works.
Let me tell you what I've done. I've got my old standard 18 by 24 inch canvas up here. I've covered it with a thin even coat of the liquid white.
But I have 16 by 20 inch canvas and I don't have liquid white. So first I have to prepare liquid white by myself. Prepare it by mixing titanium white oil color with linseed oil. Linseed oil here. I think some more. I have white oil paint, and now it's looking perfect, as you can see here. A thin coat of liquid white on the canvas, so let's do it. It will help in smooth blending of the colors. So I have applied the liquid white on the canvas and it is still wet and ready to go. And for the colors I have here the titanium white, lemon yellow, scarlet, and ultramarine blue, carbon black, and this is raw umber. So let's see what to do.
So drag out your paints or pull up your easy chair, either one, and let's have some fun together. Let's start out today with some Prussian blue. Good, strong, dark blue.
But I will use ultramarine blue.
Let me say that again, a little bit of it because it is very strong. On the 2-inch brush, let's go right up here.
2-inch brush.
Let's just drop in a happy little sky. Let's just do a fun painting today. Start at the very top of the canvas, working all the way across, making little crisscross strokes. Little crisscross. Cross like that, and then begin working downward. Your paint is mixing with the liquid white. It's already on the canvas, and automatically your color will get lighter.
Yeah,
lighter
I'm getting much more
That's
satisfying
exactly
results.
what we're doing. Let the paint work, the canvas work. Shoot. Take life easy. Just let it go. There we are. Very lightly go across the whole sky. Just take out the brush strokes to bring everything together. Isn't that quick? We got a quick little sky. Very simple and easy.
To hold the canvas from one side, it won't fall. Let's go. Grab some other brush. It is blending brush, I think, and I will start with it. Let's see. So
And hope that a cloud will appear.
no, it's not working, man.
Plan.
Now I have another brush. Let's see what it gives us.
Now what it is you want to do. There we go. Just basic cloud shapes.
Okay.
Don't stay in one area and keep working. Look here, if you just stay here and keep working and working and working, all you end up with is a big cotton ball.
Not giving the result, so I am going to use again the 2-inch brush. So let's see what it gives. Let's take some more amount. Yeah, let's see. No, man. So I think I'm done with clouds. Let's blend them. I'm mixing raw umber and carbon black.
And it goes over here, comes down, there. And all we're looking for right now is just a basic, very basic shape. All we're concerned with. We're really pushing that paint in there. It's just midnight black, maybe midnight brown enough. Okay, and it just comes over and there's a little mark there. Now, when you do your painting, you do it any way that you want to do it. Maybe your mountain has a totally different shape, and that's fine. Painting should make you happy.
Yeah.
There's nothing to make mine. They just, I just take this whole big brush. Very gentle.
Man, stop. And yeah, and yeah. The other. More blue.
No pressure at all. Touch and just pull. A little bit of the shadow cut over me. Right back in there. No pressure at all. No pressure. Right there we can go back with a little dark. Add some little ridges and all kinds of beautiful little things that are happening.
tapping. And pulling down. Yo. I had a lot of fun during this painting, and I had to be in a hurry all the time during this painting. And yeah, I like my painting very much. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like, then subscribe my channel for much more videos like this. Thank you very much. See you in the next time. Let me say in Bob Ross style, happy painting and God bless.